Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. I'm so excited about showing this video. If you are an adjuster and you always have to separate your pitches, like from 7 to 9, 10 to 12, and 12 plus, you got to see this video. Okay, so every year I get faster and faster at this. Now look how fast. I don't care if you have 300 facets with pitch 0 all the way to 30. Look how easy it is for me to separate this. So we're going to go to sketch. So here is a big old roof with several facets and all different kind. So watch how simple I can separate this thing. I'm going to click here. I'm going to export roof to annotations. I'm just going to call it pitch, right? So now I'm going to go to my desktop. Okay, I'm going to open up that file. I'm just going to go to developer, macro, run. Now I just got to click from here to here, Control C. I'm going to open up a Word document. I'm going to right click, insert this, go to developer, go to my macro that I created, double click, boom, that's it. So okay, so these are pitch 9 to 12 pitch. This is the formula. 10 to 12 pitch. This is the formula, and anything above 12 pitch. So now all I would have to do is hit Control C, go to Xactimate, go to my estimate, make sure you select the roof, and you put RFG STEEP for the 7 to 9. All you do is hit Control V in the formula, which is your calculations. Now let's go to the Excel file, go to 10 to 12 pitch, Control C, go back to Xactimate, RFG STEEP4 greater than, insert, hit OK, go back to my Excel file, hit Control C, go back to Xactimate, then RFG STEEP greater than, paste it, boom, that's it. That saves a lot of time. It took this was something that I've been working on for a while. I could have done this if I wasn't such a busy person. I'm always either training somebody or in the field, so mainly training. But I don't just do exact adjusting. There's a lot of other things I do in my life. But I'm excited, and so if you know me, and you need some training on this, let me know. I'm gonna do all the steps in Xactimate. I got a few things I have to do, but in the very near future, I will actually show you the step by step on how to do this. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next video.